Hello everyone. I'm going to explain how to apply an MB910 certification exam. The first thing is you should use the browser. I recommend to use incognito browser. That might be clear for you to apply this exam. Otherwise, there could be some cache things inside your original browsers. Then just affect your application. Okay, if we open a incognito browser, Chrome, for example, then we simply type MB910 to Google or search the result, and probably we change to English. That might be easier for you reading. So you have the better to find a web page provided from by Microsoft. So okay, look at for those web link, there are some commercial links. So when scrolling down, then you may find out here is provided by the Microsoft Learn, right? So select this one. So when we get into this page, then here is some description about the exam. But the most important thing is schedule exam. Prior to schedule your exam, you may find out the original price here is $99 US. Okay, so let's probably you can change the countries. Okay, so but I'm not sure is that make it cheaper or not. Same thing, right? So even you select Taiwan, and still the list price still is $99 US. Okay, the most important thing is to schedule an exam. So there are two organizations, they provide the examination for you, and one is Pearson VUE, the other is Certipal. I recommend you choose the personal Pearson VUE. Okay, because Certipal, they may have some additional actually I did not apply this before, so anyway, don't care about it. Let's look at the Pearson VUE. Okay, so we just schedule with Pearson VUE. So you may get into a certification page. However, you need to log in the Microsoft account first. Okay, if you do not have a Microsoft account, you may create one here. Okay, so you may say use your email, whatever Gmail account or some else account to apply a new we call the Microsoft account. But you may also create a new email account then to be a Microsoft account. So for example, if we choose the create one, then that might jump to a page say create account. At this time, actually you may input your email account what you have, or you may create a new email address. Okay, so if I create a new email address, for example, then here you may find out the email address will be at outlook.com. So just choose a name which is not is a unique, okay, not duplicate. For example, I would like to use, say, my name, Yu Liang Chen, because I have applied many accounts before, so I used some number, say 7, okay, to indicate, say, this is my new email account for applying this certification. So next, we are ask you to input some information. For example, you need to put your set your password. Okay, next, and your name. Next, and some information, say your country, just type your country, and birthday, if you want to provide your true birthday. Anyway, okay, next. So it asks you to verify you are not a robot. So next, you need to change the direction to become same as the left hand side direction. Okay, so use the arrow icon here, try to rotate the picture, then you may see the direction of the dog just similar direction on your left hand side. Submit. So right now you are creating a new account for this certification. Okay, so remember your account email address. So when you create one, then we'll go back to the certification process. Okay, so actually we go back to the certification process page, right? So at this time we need to register our information. So here is the most important part. Okay, you need to put your name, which is the same as your identification. For example, your passport. So for example, my name is Yu Liang. Add my passport, and my last name is Chen. And here you may put the address. Okay, you may put your home address, or if you want, you may put the address of school. So the address of school is number 1, Lane 17, Muza Road, Section 1. Okay, anyway, city should be Taipei, right? And let's see, country, the address country. So select say Taiwan. Yes, select Taiwan. Then phone number, put your phone number. I don't think Microsoft will contact you by this phone number, but anyway. contact email, you may put, you know, frequently used email. Okay, so for example, I would like the certification result sent to my, you know, my school's email, for example. Okay, so that might be different from the account you apply for this certification. But anyway, on the right hand side, you may put more information. Middle name, if you have any, just put over here. Job title, you may select students. That might get some additional discount, but you know, sometimes it not really work, so I may show you later. For the other informations, here is country again, Taiwan. I don't know why there are two countries, but anyway, this country should indicate the address, I believe, and the other one should be your country, your home country, right? So if you select Taiwan, then here there is a state you need to select. So you may see there are a lot of county over here, and you just, you know, select the very button ones called the Taipei Chang Municipality, which is the capital, right? Okay, and you need to put a postal code. Okay, if you are using the address of school, then the postal code is 116. Area code, you know, just same as your mobile phone. Okay, that might be good. If you have an extension, then put your extension. Preferred language, that depends on yourself, but you know, and this time in this demonstration, I just simply choose English. Okay, so after you put everything, you just agree, okay, and submit. So here, you know, there is a pop-up window to remind you, say, your name is really match your identification. That means your passport. Okay, so because, you know, this certification is certificate is international certificate. So actually, you may use this certificate, you know, in, you know, just worldwide. Okay, so you had better to have the same name as your identification. Okay, otherwise, you know, how can you identify yourself? Okay, so it's good because I was using the names on my passport, so that's good. Accept. So right now the profile of your certification is in process. Okay, so you may need to wait some time to finish the process. Okay, so it's still working. Okay, probably it's good. Okay, so the profile is update. So you may check whether your information is correct or not. Okay, and here you need to verify your because we select student as our job title, right? So you need to verify whether you are really a student or not. But sometimes this does not work. But anyway, let me show you. Get verified. We'll jump to the other page. Okay. Inside this page, okay, you may have many ways to do the verification. Okay. The most frequently used, I think, is the second one. Okay, say I have some easy way. So here you may select a school. Okay. For example, we choose the school name. Our school name is Shixin. However, you see, it's not shown here. So, so there might be some problem. If you use different countries, probably use your home countries, then you may find out your school name in here. But you know, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work for Taiwan at this time. So you know, just simply skip this part. The something will be affected by this is the discount. Okay, but pretty minor. Okay, as I know, probably will be reduced, say $2 to $3 US dollars. Okay, so I think, you know, if you cannot verify it, then that's fine. Okay, let's go back to the certification profile. So probably it might work later on, but anyway, not this time. Okay, you may use your home country's school name. Probably it works. Okay, but anyway, not work for Taiwan's at this time. So scrolling down, and you may find out, say everything is okay, then click next. So we'll jump to we call the discount page. Okay, discount page. So inside this page, you may see you have no discount at this time, right? No available discount. But since you are a student of Shixin University, so actually you do have the other special account. Okay, so you need to use the school's email address to verify you are a Shixin University student. Okay, so type your email address. For example, your student ID at mail.shu.edu.tw. Okay, the email address you should use is, you know, your student ID at mail.shu.edu.tw. Okay, so at this time you check the discount. So you may see if you type your email address, then for a while, then you may find out there is a field you need to enter your verification code. So where can you get your verification code? Actually, you need to log into your school's email. Okay, so let's, you know, log in because our school's email is a Gmail, right? So let's sign by your school's email address. Okay, and there might be some authentication. Okay, so put your ID again, then your password, and here will ask you to enter the so actually you get into the email of school. But anyway, it may take time, you know, to wait for the verification code. So actually we go back to the exam registration page here. So actually you may see the exam discount which could be available for some particular persons, okay, for example employee or some organizations. Since you are a student of Sijin University, right, so you may get this discount, okay. So that's it's because you are the student of Sijin University, okay. And the other kind of discount could be from some attendance of some special events, okay. So for example, Microsoft may raise some events and to give you some voucher for taking the exam freely or some discount, okay. So at that time actually you may use the email you apply the special events, okay. So you may also get the discount, okay. But anyway, in this demonstration actually we are using the school's email account, right, to get the discount, okay. But it takes time, okay. So probably let's go back to our email Gmail, then to reload, say check, no, not yet, okay. So yeah, it takes time, okay, take time. Anyway, we have to wait because the discount may take 50% off, okay. So if original is 99 US dollars, then take 50% off it costs a lot, right? So right now we have nothing to do, the only thing is wait. Okay, let me reload again. Still need to wait. Let's check others because actually we cannot do anything, okay. Here you may see to confirm your eligibility, right, actually enter your work or school account. So that's what we have done before, right? Oh yes, we get the email from the Microsoft, right? So here you may see there is a call. There is a call. So copy the call. Okay, use yourselves, not copy this one. Okay, use the call Microsoft send you. Then enter here, right? Then verify this call. So after you verify, here may indicate say you want to link your account, which is Yiliang Chen 7, right, at outlook.com to our school's email, okay, oichn@mail.shu.edu.tw. So if you agree, then Microsoft will recognize you are a member of Sijin University, okay. You are a student of Sijin University, okay. So you link the relationship together, okay. So after you link, you may see there is a discount appear over here. But if you can understand the Chinese character, you may find out say this is for Taiwan University, okay, Taiwan University employee. I think because actually you don't care about this. The only thing you care is 50% off, okay, 50%. Since you are a Sijin University student, okay, so you get this discount, okay. So anyway, don't care about the name, the title over here, okay. So you just simply apply the discount. Okay, so you may take a 50% off. So apply discount, then here become green, right? Then you click next. Actually, you see the discount is applied, right? So next, and this time then we may go to schedule our exam. Okay, so click the schedule with Pearson VUE button, then we'll jump to the Pearson VUE's web page. So we still need to wait a little bit. Okay. Yes. Okay. So right now we are get into Pearson VUE's web page. Okay. So you may find out, say, your exam is MB910, right? Okay, is that correct? Okay, then there are 3 different type exam you can take. Okay, so one is just have your exam in a test center. Okay, and the other one is take the exam online. The other one, actually, I did not use this before, so I don't know what's this. Okay, private access code or whatever, Yeah, so actually you may choose either one. Okay, choose, say, have an exam in a test center or have an exam, online. But the protocol of the online will use the English, right? So, okay, if you take the exam online, you need to understand what is the protocol talking about. Okay, so anyway, yeah, I think for those foreign students, I think it's no problem. Okay, but for local student, sometimes you may have some difficulty to listen to the instruction or protocol. So okay, so anyway, that depends on yourself. Okay, if you choose online, you need to understand what are the protocol talking about. Okay. Okay. However, if for local students, I recommend you take exam in a test center. That might be easier. Okay, might be easier. So okay, let me demonstrate, say, how to choose exam in a test center. Okay, so I click this one. Then here some reminder things. Say you need to have your photo ID, which is your passport. Okay, if you don't have a passport, I suggest you to apply a new one. Anyway, and something you need to notice before. Anyway, okay. Actually, when you go to the test center, there is a locker. You need to put your personal belonging inside the locker. Okay, you cannot bring your personal belonging into the test center. But anyway, just take it easy. Okay, that might be should be no problem for you. Okay, so let's click next. Okay, you need to select the exam language first. Okay, actually there are a bunch of languages you may select, but I used to select English. But if you want to select others, that's okay. But the translation, okay, between Microsoft and others, for example, Chinese traditional, actually probably just different from Microsoft and other, say, translation. For example, use Google Translate to translate the course material or some exam, but the translation probably different. But anyway, okay, that depends on yourself. If you can recognize, that's good. If you cannot, I suggest you choose the English to take your exam. Okay, so for example, if you choose English, then click next, and this time you need to agree some, however, you have no choices, right? So the only thing you need to select is yes. Okay, then click next. Okay, you may look at those agreement. Okay, turned. Okay, yeah. Next. So here are some policies. Okay, so you may also agree, but anyway, there are two policies. Two policies are most important. Okay, one is reschedule policy, one is cancellation policy. So actually, for both of them, actually you may reschedule your exam or cancel your exam, say 24 hours before your scheduled exam. Okay, so you may schedule your reschedule your exam, say just to different schedule. That's okay. Okay. You need to click agree. Then you may see find a test center at this time. So here we'll list some test center which is near you. Okay, so because we put the school's address over here, so you may see here are some suggestion of the test center, list over here. I think they are all in Taipei City, right? So for example, this is we call it Zhongxiaodonglu. It's Jujiang. Okay, Jujiang. This one is located at Fuxin Beilu. Okay, Fuxin North Door. Okay, this is called Hengyi. Okay, so and etc. I suggest you may go Hengyi SysTech. Okay, because the environment of the test center is pretty good. So this is a good area for you take the exam. Okay, I suggest go there. And actually you may take transit. Okay, from school, the green line. Okay, from school to which is the Fuxin Bei. We call the what is that? Nanjing Fuxin Zhan. Okay, Nanjing Fuxin. Okay, which is just located at the cross of Fuxin Beilu and Nanjing Donglu. Okay, if you choose SysTech Hengyi, okay, then click next. Then we'll give you some date for you select. Okay, so you may select any time slot which is available for you to take exam. So for example, we choose October 31st. Okay, so if we choose this one, then we'll come out some available time for you. Okay, if this time is not good, then you may explore more time. So you may choose whatever say for example 1:00 p.m. which is better for you. Okay, then you just book this appointment. Okay, so when you book an appointment, then everything except the payment is set. Okay, so inside the cart you may see some information over here. Your exam is MB 910, right? And the exam language is English, and the length, the duration will be around around 1 hour. But I suggest you need to prepare at least 1.5 hour, okay, because there's some preparation, right? Before you just really taking the exam. And the appointment will be on October 31st, right? So it is Tuesday, say 1 o'clock p.m. However, you may change your appointment this time, and actually you can change your appointment period to 24 hours before the schedule time, okay? The location is in Sistek, which is Hengyi, okay, located at the Fuxing North Road and Nanjing East Road, okay. So actually you can take the transit to there. That might be easier. You may also change your test center, okay, at this time. You may notice that there is a price over here, right? So the price originally is $99 US dollars, right? Right now it's changed to $75. But anyway, $70 is still cost, okay? So since we have a discount, right? So actually we have 50% off. So the final price will be $37.5, okay. So let's proceed to checkout. So you may see your payment will like this, okay. And you need to have a credit card to pay the exam, okay. So choose the credit card you have, for example, say Visa, okay. Then here are some billing information, okay. So you may want the bill sent to this is school address, okay. I don't think they will send the paper to the paper document to school later to school. But instead of that, probably might send the electronic document to you, okay. So the email address you indicate over here, they may send the electronic document to you. Okay, so next, then we ask you to provide. Yeah, actually there's some information you need to check. Okay, so if everything is good, then you agree and proceed. Okay, so here we ask you to put your credit card information, okay, and pay the money, okay. So final price will be say 37.5, around this one. If you get some student status, probably will drop some a little bit money. For example, say $2 to $3, okay. But anyway, that depends on yourself, okay, because at this time we cannot verify our student status in Taiwan. So probably you want to verify later on if it works, okay. But anyway, the $33.5, if you don't care about that, then you just pay by your credit card, okay. And after you pay the money, then you may receive a notification by email, say notify, say the schedule appointment you made for your exam, okay. And there's some important things you need to know, okay. But I think the most important is you need to prepare, okay. You need to prepare the exam, then go for the exam. Otherwise you cannot pass the exam, right? So the preparation, I think, is most important, okay. Okay, so the explanation about applying a Microsoft certification exam will be like this. So you may simply follow the video I record step by step. I think that should be no problem for you to apply a certification exam. However, it costs, right? So if you really want to take the exam, then you have to prepare, well prepared. Okay. This exam, if you pass the exam, then you will get 50 points, okay, of your grade. So okay, that depends on yourself. If you don't want take the exam, then you need to accomplish those those assignments, okay. Otherwise you may not pass this course, okay. So that's for the explanation of certification exam. So if you have any question, you may leave some message or just come to the class and to discuss with me. Okay. Bye bye.